Welcome to Bambi Baby. Today I bring to you the Nuna Exec convertible car seat. This is a true all-in-one car seat from infant all the way up to booster by removing the entire harness, and I'll show you how to do that. But first of all, it has a 5-position adjustability in height. So you have 5 positions rear facing, 5 positions forward facing. Has this great leg extender and recline. So when you're in rear facing, this actually works almost like a rebound bar to help when the car seat gets into an accident. Very easy to adjust by pushing the 2 side buttons, adjust it all the way down. Almost gives you like a first-class executive seat. To be able to extend it, raise it up, the baby has a lot of room. All of the interior comes out. So this is a newborn insert, newborn headrest, that all comes out, and then gives you the ability to adjust it and go all the way up to 120 pounds. So it's 4 pounds to 120 pounds. Once you get past the 65-pound range, it gives you a guide on the side here to run your regular car belt through, seat belted on the other side, and the Exec has indentures here for the lap belt that you would put over yourself. So this is a full booster. It is latchable, rear facing, forward facing. Very easy to use 5-point harness, very easy to adjust the belts. Just click both sides, lock it into place, pull on the loose end, tighten it all up, connect your chest clip last. To loosen it, you have a little button down in here where you press the button, pull on the straps to let it go all the way forward, remove your chest clip, and unclip it on the bottom. Leave it wide open for the next time you come in. The Nuna Exec car seat comes in multiple colors. To see those colors, visit BambiBaby.com. Thank you for watching.